love the internet. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Sephora Play unboxing video. So my puppy is sleeping over there and I realized I didn't have a video for today because last night my puppy Lucy, she ate a screw cover. You know those things when you like put a screw in something and then you put a cover on it so you can't see the screw? Yeah, well, I looked away for 1 second to text my friend back and she had one in her mouth. I went to go grab it from her. She ran away from me, looked at me, and swallowed it. And so I freaked out, and I didn't film this last night when I had like makeup on and everything, and I wasn't wearing my pajama shirt because I was really worried about my dog and I was freaking out and I was like, do I make her throw up? What do I do? So yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this for this video today, and this is going up today, so I'm filming this day of because well, I just told you why, but yeah. So my mom hasn't got her Sephora Play yet, so that's why we haven't done a mother versus daughter Sephora Play edition yet, but when you open it up, it comes with, hold on, let me set that down. It comes with the usual little pamphlet where you get the 50 points. It just says all this, and then on the back here are all of the products it came with, and I want to look, but I'm not going to look, and I saw a little something, and I'm excited because I think it's a chapstick, and I like chapstick. So it did come again in one of these little plastic bags that I will end up giving to my mom. But the first thing I see in here is this Wonder Beauty Glow Tone Lotion Illuminizer. Okay, so if this is like an illuminizer, is it like a liquid highlighter? I don't know. Is there a color? Is it in a color? Glow a ton? Nope, no color. Okay, let's just, woo. And I dropped the piece. Hold on, I gotta pick that up because I have a puppy and she would eat that. I'm not wearing any makeup because I just don't feel like wearing makeup today. I might put makeup on later, but as of right now I don't want to. But hold on, let me focus on this. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice gold. That's really pretty. That would be really pretty. Like I'd put that on with my primer just to give my face like a nice glow, you know. So that's really pretty. I like that. Next we have another tube. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I'm pretty sure my mom loves this stuff. I want to smell it. It's no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. That's awesome. Ooh, that smells yummy. Since this is like a deep conditioning hair mask, I'm not going to swatch this because it's a hair mask. Next up, this is what I saw on the little pamphlet that I was excited about. This is the Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy Dream Sheer Pink Lip Treatment. Ooh, I'm really excited about this because I'm like, I think that's like a chapstick. Oh my gosh, wow, this is so cute. Focus, focus. I'm filming on my phone, sorry. Let me just get up close. This is what it looks like. Am I really that weak? Oh wait, it's a screw cap. Ooh, hold on, let me swatch this. Ooh, it's like a nice sheer pink. It's right there, you can't really see it. Hold on, I'm gonna put it on. It smells good. Really florally, I like that. This feels really nice and light on my lips, so that's awesomeness. I love chapstick a lot. So we got a few more things in here. Next is this Sephora Rouge Cream lipstick in the color The Red. And this is just a lipstick sample. Looks like this. It's the color red. It's very nice red. Look how smooth that is. I love like getting new lipsticks when it's all like smooth. That's just, oh, I just love that. Let's swatch this. Ooh, I love a good red lipstick. I don't wear them often, but wow, that's gorgeous. I love that. Also, my whole family has these matching pajamas. They have little like Yeti Bigfoot people on them. They're really cute. It's from the brand Toast and Jammies, I think. And moving on to the next thing. Oh, this is a primer sample, and this is the Too Faced, I can't even read it, the light's so bright, Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. that's what that looks like. I want to smell this and see if it smells like peaches. Let's put a little bit on my hand. Ooh, this is like the professional texture. It's not like it doesn't smell like peaches to me. It's not like the other one, the other Too Faced primer. That's really smooth. That's like all like the Hangover one, you know, the hydrating one. I like this one. I think I will like this one way better than the Hangover primer. So excited about this. And then last but not least, we have a Rouge Gel Lip Liner. Ooh, is this in the same color as the lipstick? I think it's in the thing I think it's in the color Nothing But Nude because it says Nothing But Nude on here, but I'm not for sure, so let's rip this open. Yeah, it's in the color Nothing But Nude, and it's like a nice little lip liner, and this is from the Sephora brand. So let's go ahead and get a swatch. I like that there were so many lip things in here. I love lip products. They are my absolute favorite. I adore a good lip product. But that is it right there. Sorry, my hands are like covered in little baby scratches and bite marks because I'm a new dog mom and my dog is a little ferocious. She's a little baby shark. So yeah, but that is it right there. And yeah, I'm really happy with this box. This box was awesome. I can't wait till my Ipsy comes in so I can, you know, do a Sephora Play versus Ipsy comparison video and see which one wins for December. Because I just posted November's yesterday, and Sephora Play won last month. I just liked it a teensy bit more. But yeah, I'm really happy with this box. Sephora boxes are like really good. I didn't think they would be. I thought it would just be like all skincare and hair care and like zero makeup, but like I'm getting like a good mix of everything and I love that. But anyways, I'm gonna go because she's stirring and I should probably be quiet now. So I will see you guys in my next video. I'm probably gonna film another video today. I forgot, we took a shelf down. We took 2 shelves down. I had shelves right here and I took them down and I didn't cover the holes in the walls yet. That's been there the whole video. I'm really sorry, but I'm going to leave it in because this was my first reaction to the Sephora Play, and so I want you guys to get my honest reaction. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you want to stay tuned for my future Vlogmas videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel as well as hit that bell button so you'll be notified every single day until the day after Christmas when I upload a video at noon Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Bye! Also, if you want to follow my dog on Instagram, her @handle is @LovLucy_, because it was taken without the underscore, so it's an underscore, and mine is LovHailey. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Bye.